morning all. So last video we study about the examples of the group theory. In this video we study about another examples of the group. So actually the problem is prove that A comma dot is a non-abelian group where A is equal to R star cross R and A comma B dot of C comma D equal to AC comma BC plus D. So in this problem where A is equal to R star cross R. So R star cross R means this is not zero. R cross star R is a ordered pair. So the R star cross R means all the elements are ordered pair format, that is A comma B format and A comma B and C comma D format. In this problem the operator is dot, so we take the any two elements A comma B dot C comma D equal to AC comma BC plus D. Actually என்னன்னா இதில் உள்ள ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்ஸும் R star cross R ஃபார்மேட்டில் தான் இருக்கும். R cross Rனா ஆர்டர்டு பேர் ஃபார்மேட்டில் இருக்கும். ஸோ டூ எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ அதுலேருந்து ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட் எடுக்கிறோம். இதில் ஆப்ரேட்டர்னு சொல்கிறது டாட்டு. ஸோ ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட்டை ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணும்போது ஃபார்மேட் என்னென்னா AC கமா BC plus D. So let us prove. First we check dot is closed. Dot is closed. Claim dot is closed. We take any two elements, ரெண்டு elements எடுக்கிறோம் Aல. Let A comma B comma C comma D belongs to A such that A comma B dot C comma D equal to AC comma BC plus D. So A is real, C is real and B is real, that is of the form ordered format. So that this belongs to A. Therefore A comma star is closed. Next we prove the associate property. Dot is associative. Dot is associative. Let A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F belongs to A. Three elements எடுக்கிறோம். To prove A comma B dot C comma D comma E comma F equal to A comma B dot C comma D comma E comma F is equal to A comma F dot C comma D dot E comma F. We take the LHS value A comma F, A comma B comma C comma D dot E comma F equal to A comma B dot C comma D dot E comma F. Actually the problem is defined A comma B dot C comma D is equal to AC plus AC comma BC plus D. AC, so A comma A dot B, A comma B dot C comma D equal to AC comma BC plus D. So C comma D comma E comma F is equal to CE comma CE comma DE plus F. So that is equal to, so AB, that is A comma B comma C comma D equal to AC. இப்படி அப்ளை பண்ண AC comma BC plus D. So that is A comma B dot C comma E C comma E C comma CE comma DE plus F equal to the same procedure A comma C that is AC A C comma ACE, comma BC, BC, okay, BC plus D, that is BCE plus DE plus F. Now we take the second element, DE plus F, DEF, that is A, comma B, comma C, comma D equal to AC, comma BC plus D. So here this is A, comma B dot C, comma D format, that is AC, so ACE, comma then BC, that is BCE plus D, BCD plus D plus F. Now we take the RHS, this is called 1, A, comma B dot C, comma D dot E, comma F equal to A, comma B dot C, comma D is equal to AC, comma BC plus D dot E, comma F. So that is equal to AC, that is ACE, comma AC, that is idu, comma BC, idu, so E into BC plus D plus BC plus ACE, comma BEBC, so it is A, comma C, AC, comma BC plus D dot E, comma F. So that is AC, comma BC plus D. So AC, idu, AC, so AC, that is ACE, comma AC, comma BC, idu, BC. So BC plus D into E plus F. So that is equal to ACE, comma BCE plus DE plus F. So ACE, BCE, DEF plus F. So this is called 2. From 1 and 2. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, dot is associative. Now identity. We take the one elements, that is, let A, comma B belongs to A and A, comma B belongs to A and E1, comma E2 belongs to A. That is A, comma B. That is identity property is A star E equal to A. So A star, A, comma B star, E1, comma E2 equal to A, comma B. So that is equal to AE1, அடுத்தது A, comma B, that is AC, comma BC, AB, AC, comma BC, BE1 plus E2 equal to A, comma B. So that is equal to AE1 equal to A, AE1 equal to A and BE1 plus E2 equal to B. So that is E1 is equal to 1, that is B1 equal to, this is cancel, E1 equal to 1, then BE1 plus E2 equal to B. So that is equal to E1 equal to 1. So B into 1 plus E2 equal to B. இந்த b1 cancel, e2 equal to 0. திரும்ப சொல்கிறேன், with identity na a star a is equal to a. So we take the one element is that a comma b, and identities and in the R cross R matrix we take the identity is e1 comma e2. So e1 comma e2 belongs to a. So a comma b dot e1 comma e2 equal to a comma b. Ordinary line a dot e equal to a. So ரெண்டு ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணுறோம், a e1 comma b e1 plus e2 equal to a comma b. So a e1 equate பண்ணுறோம் ரெண்டும், equating the component a e1 equal to a, b e1 plus e2 equal to b. So a e1 equal to a cancel, e1 equal to 1. So b e1 plus e2 equal to b, b e1 plus e2 equal to b, b e1. So we all e1 equal to 1. So b into 1 plus e2 equal to b. So in the b cancel, e2 equal to 0. So the identity element is 1 comma 0. The identity element is 1 comma 0. Now we find the inverse. To find inverse property. Inverse property. So a comma b belongs to a. ஒரு element எடுக்கிறோம், a comma b ன்னு ஒரு element எடுக்கிறோம். Then c comma d ன்னு சொல்றது, and there is c comma d belongs to a. Actually the inverse property is a star a inverse equal to e. a star a1 equal to e. இங்க என்னது r cross r ல element எல்லாம் என்னது ordered pairல இருக்கும். a comma b எடுக்கிறோம், c comma d ன்னு சொல்றது இது எடுக்கிறோம். So இல்ல we write a comma b belongs to a, and the inverse of a comma b is c comma d. Inverse of a comma b is c comma d belongs to a. That is a comma b dot c comma d equal to e. What is the identity element? 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. That is ac comma bc plus d equal to 1 comma 0. So that is ac equal to 1. அடுத்தது bc plus d equal to 0. Actually find c comma d. Okay, c equal to, so c equal to 1 by a. Then you find d value. So bc equal to minus d. bc equal to minus d. So d equal to minus bc. d equal to minus bc. So d equal to minus b into 1 by a. So d equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. Therefore c comma d equal to 1 by a comma minus b by a. 1 by a comma c comma d equal to c 1 by a comma minus b by a. திரும்ப சொல்கிறேன், inverse property. We take the two elements. Is a comma b is the ordinary element. The inverse identify c comma d. So you apply the inverse property. A star a dash equal to e. So one element a comma b, inverse c comma d equal to e. It's already find identity element, that is 1 comma 0. So a comma b dot c comma d equal to 1 comma 0. Equating the component ரெண்டு சரி equate பண்ணுறோம். ac equal to 1, bc plus d equal to 0. ac equal to 1, c equal to 1 by a. bc plus d equal to 0, bc equal to minus d. d equal to bc equal to minus d. So d equal to minus bc. d equal to minus d into c. c equal to 1 by a. So d equal to minus a. ஏன்னா a comma b the inverse தான் என்ன சொல்றோம், inverse of a comma b is c comma d ன்னு சொல்றோம். So you find c comma d. So c comma d equal to 1 by a comma minus b by a. b minus b by a. Therefore dot satisfies the closure property, associate property, and we find the identity and inverse. Therefore a comma dot is a group. It's a group. Then to prove abelian, dot is not abelian. non-abelian. Non-abelian means, what is an abelian? So abelian means A dot B equal to B dot A. So we take the any two elements, let A comma B comma C comma D belongs to A. That is A comma B dot C comma D equal to AC comma BC plus D. And now and C comma D dot A comma B equal to C comma D comma dot A comma B equal to another. So that is equal to AC, that is CA, that is AC comma A comma B dot A comma B equal to, that is A comma B comma dot C comma AC comma BC plus D. AC BD. So AC CA comma BC that is AD plus D plus B. So ரெண்டு வித்தியாசமா இருக்கு. So AC comma AD plus B. Therefore A comma B dot C comma D is not equal to C comma D dot A comma B. Therefore A comma dot is non-abelian group. Non-abelian group. So therefore A is group இருக்கு, but another abelian கிடையாது. So we write A comma dot is non-abelian group. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.